It is currently 8:33, period angel number. Shut up, let me show you so I don't think I'm playing. Come to the dark. We're about to head to the waterfalls. I've never been to a waterfall personally. So this is like a monumental thing for me. And I love nature as is, so this is a gas moment for me. But I'm on spring break. I have been paying bills overnight, and I have like a lot of stuff coming up. I have a graduation right after graduation. My graduation is May 5th, my birthday is May 13th. So like with all that right there, I'm just like, spring break I don't have to do that much. I'm okay. Like I just had to pay my freaking senior dues and my Kappa gown. I just came out like 200 and some change, which is okay though. I'm gonna get back. Money is inevitable. Yeah, it's the morning and I'm trying to make it to McDonald's breakfast. They have buy one get one free breakfast sandwiches with the code, and I gotta hurry up because my bestie is waiting on me. So yeah, packing the bags. I'm packing a little book bag with my stuff in it. I'm kind of nervous because like my biggest fear is like a bear or something coming out. I don't even know if there's bears there, but a bear, like that's my biggest fear, a bear. Really. I feel like I can outrun, or you know, I can talk to spiritually. I'm gonna be good, but yeah, I gotta pack everything up. So I'll catch y'all later when I'm in the car.
Hola. So Bess just went to go do some private thing. Trying to enjoy my moment right now because I have not been up this early in a minute. Something falls, and we all know that waterfall. So don't yeah. So we're about to go to this waterfall. It's gonna be really fun. It's a nice little nature trail as well. There's probably not too many people out there because the parking spots are very limited. So hopefully we be one of the first people when we get there because it is early.
Yeah. So we're actually about to hit the road. Well, no, I gotta stop at McDonald's. But McDonald's is right, like literally behind us. We got some Krispy Kreme. Don't thumbnail that. But also, if you don't know, when Krispy Kreme has on a red light, they give out free donuts.
Put them on.
But you gotta go inside, or you gotta go through the drive-thru and you say, can I have one single donut? And they can't tell you that they're gonna give it to you for free, I guess. Cause when we put in, we stopped one of the workers like, hey, do you guys still give out the free donut? She gonna say some no, lie straight to our face, right? While we go back around, we talking to the black lady through the window.
The black lady. I
hate to bring race into this, but we talk to the black lady, my girl Lexus. She like, yeah, we still do singles. You just didn't ask. You didn't ask for the free one. I'm like, what? I'm like, y'all do. And she's like, yeah, pull back around. Watch this. Pull back around. She took my order. Well, no, some white lady took my order, but then she ended up giving it to me for free. Why he all in another fucking car, girl? Why we the fucking vlog? The fucking
girl, what is you smiling at?
Oh, he's still looking back, these. He said, who is? Oh, girl, why a man pulled up on me yesterday? Girl, yes, when I was walking, he whipped his car around. I seen it one time as he was pulling to the cab. As I was leaving, yes, as I was leaving again, bro, I seen the little black. He had one of those. Window. Girl, yes, I seen it. I'm like, oh, I wonder who black car is that. We'll just pull it in. I didn't think too much of it. While he I'm going up where the basketball house at that street. You know how you can see through that field? You can see the little shit, the area of high school. See him busting the U. We right there. Pull back around. Pull up on me. Hey, you know when the football practice is?
Girl, they I don't know. I think Billy like a cruising spot.
It is. The area is a cruising spot.
Really?
It gotta be. They said they want some cat coochie cat.
I got blew a kiss at
everything. Who we blew a kiss at?
You.
Yes, Nee. He said he wants you, Nee. Oh, I gotta put a blur over that. He said he wants you.
Sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking holes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music blasting. But I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep the ep a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with like Benzes. See no smiles or layers. True fucking players. Yes. Jump in the Rover and come over, tell your friends.
Okay. So we made it to the campgrounds. Kinda nervous, I ain't gonna cap. kind of nervous. It's just like not as much obvious stuff as we thought it would, at least as I thought it would be. No, out in the woods, the public, you know. I'm about to go check the maps to see where everything starts. When you searched up bears,
There is no bear.
why does it say notice? Do not feed bears.
It didn't say that. I looked it up. It didn't say nothing about bears. This probably just a.
Okay, so we're out here. He's playing with his stick, but out here. Yeah. So the trail's supposed to be a mile, so we're just gonna walk.
My guy pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through cool water, eating like I'm underworld. Had my tattoos in Shibuya, police think I'm of the underworld. 12 treat a nigga like he 12. How you looking up to me and talking down? Can't you see I am the big man? Dog level, I am the I am. Now filming with the drone cam and the pink like Killer Kim. Zoom on that stick, no way. I'm so close, I'm on that kill. Controller on your throw it back, yeah, that's good. Dick roll eyes back in, go. Roll in, ride. Rollin' when you ride, ride. One, straight acting, 30 lights, 30 fast ride. 2016 from this, 2017 ideas playing off the wall. This is cold, not a click on the net. With a cup, in a cup, activist. Just a double edge, just a knife. I don't like to fight till I'm fighting. Revenge in the air makes my lungs sick. Chopper in the sky like a gun trick. Whips on clips like Mike. It's really you. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. It's really you on my mind. It's really you.
Hi, we're on live timing. Thank you so much for watching my video. Shout out to you. Whenever it's like double the task, I am drained, like I am tired. So I usually don't end my vlogs properly, but y'all got the video. Y'all got the content. I don't see an issue here. There's a win-win for both of us. I'll see you guys on the flip side.